Hello, I'm Professor Bob Turrill, and I will be teaching the Design of Effective Organizations class in the fall semester. And the design of effective organization basically is what we call organizational design. So it's what we would entitle a macro organizational course. We look at the organizations at the entire organizational level. So this course is the fundamental course in organizational theory. It's one of the courses we ask you to take if you want to go into consulting specifically, but it also is useful if you're going to manage organizations or if you're just going to be a high performer in organizations. Understanding the nature of the organizational context and how that context gets put together is a very critical skill, whether you're just a performer, a manager, entrepreneur, or a consultant. So basically what we do is talk about the various elements of organization and how those elements get designed into a holistic way of approaching business or other kinds of problems. All organizations, whether they're for-profit or non-profit organizations, are engaged in organizational design. And the assumption we make is that the better designs, the more effective designs, are those that integrate or align the various parts of the organization within its environment and to match its strategy of how it does business. Meaning, does the structure of the organization, does the technology of the organization, does it do the task, do the people, does the culture, are all those elements aligned with each other and aligned with the environment, meaning it's congruent with the environment, it fits the environment, and those are the high performance organizations. So a lot of this is given to us, and yet there's a lot we have to design. So again, in this course, we look at cases, actual cases of organizations and how they're put together. And we criticize that. We use critical thinking skills to look at alternatives, to look at options for how you might do it. We look at how to make interventions in organizations to make them more effective, and how to design something from scratch. And so in some respects, there's a lot of fun attached to doing these tasks because it's not given to us. I get students from, again, all over the college. In addition to Marshall, I get international exchange students in there, and we take a look at organizations together with cases, with projects, and we work in teams because teams become a building block for organizations and organizational effectiveness. So we do cases, we do reading assignments. It's both theoretical and practical. This is a very interesting course to me because I've always found it fundamentally theoretical, but my students tell me it's all very practical. They use it all the time. Whether you're in business, whether you're running a student organization. A lot of my students come to me and talk about their student organization that they are running. So it's a very practical course because we all live in organizations for most of our lives. So to understand that context of where we are living and working, how we might improve it, is a very critical skill in terms of what we're going to do the rest of our lives and in terms of if you're going to lead organizations in the future. So again, I invite you to join me looking at organizations, how they're put together, how they're effective, how to design them, how to run them, how to consult and intervene in those organizations. So I hope to see you in the fall. Thank you.